Joey Butler, moved to Hampton approximately 10-15 years ago. Started out as a place to start a career, and eventually got married and settled down here in Hampton. Love living here. Lots of beach access and close to the mountains as well for some mountain biking. Some nice little hobbies that we do. The size of our yard was a big factor. We wanted to make sure we didn't take up all the grass, and so we looked for some options on sizes, measured out some things, met with Ryan, and he came out, showed us some measurements on how big our yard would be with the pool, and decided that this pool would give us the biggest bang for our buck for having yard space, still having access for playing games and things of that nature while still having a nice sized pool. Really struggled to find somebody who could do a fiberglass pool in the area. Everything seemed to be pretty far away, and we lucked out that Solid Structures said that they would come over to Hampton and put it in for us. Everything ran smoothly, and really happy with the outcome. The pool construction went really well. Great communication. Anytime that I had a question with something, I was quickly responded by Jason or Ryan. Usually never had a problem getting in touch with them. Even the contractors that they hired for some of the small things here went really well. They came out in a timely fashion, unless of course, material issues with the whole pandemic. But other than that, it started ahead of schedule, got done ahead of schedule, and we've been loving it ever since. Now that it's finally warming up, I get in it just about every day, but we got a heater with it as well, and so through the winter time we still were using it. I'd say on average we're probably in it 2 to 3 times a week. Even in the winter time, probably once a week, just waiting on the water to warm up, and then we just enjoyed it. We've had a few little parties, and everyone has enjoyed it. Large enough for enough people to get in it and cool off and enjoy themselves, big enough for the kids to splash around and play in, and everyone's really enjoyed it. I love the fiberglass aspect, just because of longevity and peace of mind. I check it probably every 2 or 3 days with the test strip, and then vacuuming and skimming it isn't really that bad with the placement of the main drains, and also how well the flow of the water is. We've been enjoying it for the last 6 months. They started ahead of schedule. They kept in contact with everything. There isn't really much else that you could ask for from a contractor. Yes, I would recommend Solid Structures.